Thank you. Appreciate it.
Fantastic work there, Luke. That was really, really great. Really, really proud of you, mate. You've put in a lot of, you might not have seen it since you started, but you've really, really improved. Your pitch has improved. Your pitch was okay when we first started, and that was probably being nice. So you've come a long way with your pitch. Your falsetto's through the roof. I know that you put in a lot of work and dedication, and Luke's worked really hard. I know that one instance when these hard lockdowns happened, Luke was running a little bit late from work to get back to home to get to his online lesson, and we actually had an online lesson in his car. And he pulled over to the side of the road, and we just had a lesson there. So that's the sort of dedication that you need if you want to improve.
Watching as well. When I first started these lessons, I could not do falsetto whatsoever, and he taught me how to do it. So
yeah, we've done a lot of work on that. My focus points with Luke has been, the number one point was pitch to start with, and then working on the falsetto, and then mouth. So you've done very, very well, and we're looking forward to hearing some original songs. Let's keep the show rolling here. It's been fantastic and entertaining as well too. Had a bit of a boogie then, which was great. And I'm going to let Ryan introduce the next student here.